Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 48 divided by 6 in bracket 5 plus 3 bracket complete plus 6 square. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. Now we find the correct answer. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of P stands for parenthesis. We should start with the parenthesis. We do the addition between 5 and 3 inside the parenthesis is equal to 8 is equal to 48 divided by 6 times 8 plus 6 square. E stands for exponent. It's time to handle the exponents. After parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. 6 का square 36 is equal to 48 divided by 6 times 8 plus 36. Multiplication and division hold the same equal priority. So, we must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. D stands for division. Now, we do the division between 48 and 6. 48 को 6 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer 8 is equal to 8 times 8 plus 36. M stands for multiplication. Now we do the multiplication between 8 and 8. 8 times 8 is equal to 64 is equal to 64 plus 36. A stands for addition. Now we do the addition between 64 and 36. 64 and 36 का एडिशन करने पर we get answer 100. 100 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.